Alright, so after reviewing some of the basic 3D shapes that we're going to be using, let's look at our first problem. Problem 1. Containers 1 and 2 are two containers that are completely identical. The height of the amount of water in container 1 is 1/3 of the height of the entire container. Okay, so let's stop right there and put down what we know. So this is probably the center of the bottom, right? So let's connect that with the top. So that's the entire height. So this would be the center of the circle right here, and that there's going to be another one here. So what it's saying that if we split, the height of this entire container into thirds, one of those thirds would be the height of this sort of trapezoid over here. And now number 2, it says that the height of the amount of water in container 2 is 2/3 of the height of the entire container. So if this is the middle of the base, we still connect it like that. And we would go like that. So this, as you can see, is 2/3. 1/3, 2/3. So now we need to answer the question, which container has more water and by how much? So first, we don't know the exact height or the exact, radius. So what I'm going to do is just set it, right? If we don't exactly know, we don't need to know, I guess. So this bottom right here, I'm going to set as 3R. And you might be wondering, well, why 3R? Why not just R? Well, if this is 3R, think about it, this one would be 2R, and this would be 1R, right? Which is just R. So that would make everything more simpler. And I'm going to set this entire height as 3H. So if this is 3H, then this part would be 1H. The next section would be another 1H. This section would be 1H as well. Alright, so that's how we could set the radius and the height. So let's first find the area. If this is figure 1, the equation for that, and to find the amount of water that's in it, we can first find the volume of the entire cone and then take away the volume of this smaller cone right here. So we do 3R squared times pi times 3H. So this is the entire cone times 1/3. And then we subtract from it, the smaller cone, which is its radius would be 2R squared pi times 2H times 1/3. And as you can see over here, this is actually the equation to find the water part for figure number 2. So we know that container 1 has more water. So 1 has more water. And by how much? If you simplify this, we get 19 by 19 over 8 times. So this is our final answer.